If you want to practice English listening with slow and easy conversation, this episode is for you.
Today, we're having a calm and relaxed conversation in slow English.
You don't need to study.
You don't need to memorize anything.
Just listen
Relax your mind.
and enjoy the conversation. Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
I'm Ben.
And I'm Jane.
Today, we are speaking slowly and clearly.
So you can follow the conversation easily.
Many English learners say something interesting.
Yes, they do.
They say they understand English when reading,
Or when studying grammar.
but real conversations feel more difficult.
Because real conversations move quickly.
And people use natural, everyday language.
So today, we are slowing everything down.
Very slow,
Very clear.
like two friends talking.
Exactly.
Jane, how was your morning today?
It was very peaceful.
Peaceful mornings are wonderful.
Yes, they really are.
What time did you wake up?
Around 7 in the morning.
That's a good time.
Not too early.
And not too late.
Exactly.
What was the first thing you did?
I stayed in bed for a few minutes.
Just relaxing?
Yes.
That sounds nice.
Then I got up slowly.
Did you make coffee?
Of course.
Coffee seems to be part of almost everyone's morning routine.
Yes, many people start their day with coffee.
Some people even say they can't wake up without it.
I understand that feeling.
Me too. After making coffee, what did you do?
I opened the window.
Fresh air in the morning?
Yes,
That sounds refreshing.
it really was.
What could you hear outside?
Birds.
Birds are always a nice sound in the morning.
Yes.
Anything else?
Some distant traffic.
Not too loud?
No, just a little.
Early mornings are usually quieter.
Exactly.
Morning routines are interesting
Why do you say that?
because many people repeat the same routine every day.
That's very true.
Wake up,
Brush teeth,
make coffee.
check the phone.
Many people check their phone immediately.
Sometimes even before leaving the bed.
Yes.
That's very common today.
Do you usually check your phone right away?
Sometimes I do.
What do you usually check first?
Messages.
Friends?
Yes.
What else?
Sometimes emails.
Work emails?
Occasionally.
And news?
Sometimes.
Phones have become a big part of daily life.
They really have.
But sometimes it feels nice to begin the day slowly,
I agree.
without rushing.
Without noise.
Just quiet time.
Yes.
Moments like that can feel very peaceful.
They help the mind feel calm.
I remember a morning recently that felt like that.
Really?
Yes,
Tell me about it.
it was a Saturday morning.
Weekends always feel different from weekdays.
They do.
People move more slowly
There is less traffic.
and less rushing.
I woke up earlier than usual.
Did you plan to wake up early?
No, I just woke up naturally.
That happens sometimes.
Instead of going back to sleep, I decided to go for a walk.
That sounds relaxing.
It was very relaxing. When I stepped outside, the streets were almost empty.
Really?
Yes,
No cars?
very few.
That must have felt peaceful.
It did. I walked slowly down the street.
What did you see?
A man walking his dog.
Dogs love morning walks.
Yes, they do.
Anything else?
A couple jogging.
Morning exercise.
Exactly. Then I passed a small bakery.
Oh, bakeries smell amazing in the morning.
Exactly.
Fresh bread?
Yes,
That smell is wonderful.
it really is. A few people were already inside the bakery.
Buying breakfast?
Yes,
Croissants, maybe?
probably.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Moments like that remind me of something important.
What's that?
Life doesn't always need to be fast.
That's very true.
Sometimes slow moments are the best moments.
Exactly.
When everything slows down,
You start noticing small things.
sounds,
Smells.
people,
The environment around you,
even simple conversations.
just like the one we're having now.
Exactly. Listening to slow English can feel similar.
Yes.
When English is slow,
It becomes easier to understand,
you hear every word clearly.
and you feel less pressure.
Exactly. Many English learners believe they need fast English immediately,
But slow listening builds confidence first,
step by step,
word by word,
sentence by sentence,
and slowly English becomes more natural.
and easier to understand. You know, Jane, something interesting happens when people slow down.
What do you mean?
They begin to notice small things,
That's true.
things that are easy to miss during busy days.
Yes.
For example, sounds,
Or smells.
or the way people move through a city.
Exactly.
When life moves quickly, we don't always pay attention.
We rush from one place to another.
Work,
Meetings,
errands,
appointments.
and suddenly the whole day is finished.
Yes.
But when we slow down, everything feels different
The day feels longer.
and calmer.
Exactly.
After walking past the bakery that morning, I continued walking
Where did you go?
toward a small park.
Parks are great in the morning.
They really are.
Usually quiet
Yes.
and full of fresh air.
When I arrived at the park, only a few people were there.
Who did you see?
An older man sitting on a bench.
Reading a newspaper?
Yes,
That feels very peaceful.
it did. There was also a woman walking her dog.
Dogs love parks.
They do.
Was the dog running around?
Yes,
Full of energy.
exactly. I found an empty bench and sat down.
Just relaxing?
Yes,
Sometimes sitting quietly is the best thing.
I agree. From the bench, I could see the entire park.
What did it look like?
The grass was slightly wet.
Morning dew.
Yes,
That happens early in the day.
and the sunlight was just beginning to appear.
Soft morning sunlight is beautiful.
It really is. A few birds were jumping across the grass.
Looking for food.
Yes,
Birds always seem busy.
they do. I noticed something interesting while sitting there.
What did you notice?
Nobody seemed to be in a hurry.
That's rare in a city.
Exactly.
Cities are usually very fast.
But that morning felt different.
Calm.
Very calm. Moments like that help people think.
Yes.
When everything is quiet, our minds become clearer.
That's true.
Sometimes good ideas appear in quiet moments.
Or new perspectives.
Exactly. While sitting there, I started thinking about daily life.
What kind of thoughts?
How quickly days pass.
That happens to many people.
Monday becomes Friday very quickly.
Yes.
Weeks turn into months.
And months turn into years.
Exactly. Sometimes people realize they have been rushing for a long time,
Without stopping.
without breathing.
Without noticing small moments.
Exactly. That's why slow mornings can be powerful.
They reset the mind
They help us feel present.
and connect it to the world around us.
Exactly. Do you ever have moments like that, Jane?
Yes, I do.
Tell me about one.
Last month, I visited a lake early in the morning.
That sounds beautiful.
It really was.
Was it quiet?
Very quiet.
What could you see?
The water was completely still,
Like a mirror.
exactly like a mirror.
Were there many people?
Just a few.
Doing what?
One person was fishing.
Fishing is very peaceful.
Yes.
Anyone else?
A couple walking slowly along the path.
Morning walks again.
Exactly.
Nature has a way of slowing people down.
Yes.
Cities often feel busy.
But nature feels calm.
That's a good way to describe it. Moments like those remind us that life doesn't always need to be complicated.
Sometimes simple moments are the most meaningful.
Exactly.
A walk,
Fresh air,
quiet conversation.
or just sitting peacefully. Listening to English in a calm way is similar.
Yes.
There is no pressure,
No rush.
just listening.
And slowly understanding more.
Some learners worry when they don't understand everything.
But that's completely normal.
Even understanding 50% is progress.
Exactly.
Listening trains the brain.
And the brain improves with practice.
The more you hear English,
The more familiar it becomes.
the sounds start to feel natural.
And conversations become easier to follow.
Exactly. So if you're listening right now,
Take a deep breath
relax.
and simply enjoy the conversation.
Your English listening is improving with every minute.
Step by step,
Word by word.
sentence by sentence.
You know, Jane, there is something encouraging about learning slowly.
I agree.
Many people think learning must always be fast.
But slow learning can be very powerful.
Yes,
Because when you move slowly, you understand more deeply.
exactly. Think about language learning.
Good example.
At first, English might sound confusing.
Many sounds.
Many words.
Everything feels very fast.
But when you listen regularly
Your ears begin to adjust.
and you start recognizing familiar sounds,
Words you heard before.
phrases you understand.
And slowly the language becomes clearer.
I remember when I was learning another language,
Which language?
Spanish.
That must have been interesting.
It was
Was it difficult at the beginning?
very difficult.
What was the hardest part?
Listening.
Yes, listening is often the hardest skill.
People spoke quickly.
And words connected together.
Exactly. At first, I understood almost nothing.
That can feel frustrating.
Very frustrating.
What helped you improve?
Listening every day.
Even when you didn't understand much?
Yes,
That takes patience.
it does. But slowly, something changed.
What changed?
I started understanding small pieces.
Single words?
Yes,
Then short phrases?
exactly.
And later whole sentences?
Yes, language learning happens step by step.
Like building something.
That's a good comparison.
Like building a house.
Yes,
First, you build the foundation.
then the walls.
Then the roof.
And slowly, the house becomes complete.
Language learning works the same way.
Every time you listen to English,
Your brain learns something.
even if you don't realize it,
Your brain recognizes sounds,
patterns,
rhythm.
and pronunciation. That's why listening practice is so important.
Yes,
Not just once,
but regularly.
little by little.
Day by day.
Some learners worry when they don't understand everything.
But that's normal.
Even native speakers sometimes miss words.
Exactly.
Understanding part of a conversation is already progress.
And progress builds confidence.
Confidence is very important when learning English.
Absolutely.
Many learners actually know more English than they think,
But they feel nervous.
or unsure,
Confidence helps people speak more freely.
and listening improves speaking over time. Jane, imagine someone listening to this episode right now.
Okay,
Maybe they understand 80%.
that's excellent.
Maybe they understand 50%.
Still very good,
Even 30% is a good start.
because improvement happens gradually.
Listening trains the brain.
Exactly.
The more English you hear,
The more familiar it becomes.
and eventually conversations feel natural.
Just like talking with friends.
Today, we simply wanted to have a calm conversation,
Slow,
clear,
relaxed,
so learners could practice listening without pressure.
and enjoy the experience.
If you listened to this whole conversation,
That's already great progress.
listening for 20 minutes takes focus.
And dedication.
So well done.
Keep going.
The more you listen,
The easier English becomes.
little by little,
Word by word.
conversation by conversation. Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this slow English conversation helped your listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep listening.
And most importantly,
Enjoy learning English.
we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.